Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to trim video in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. This should only take a moment, and once you see your desktop, you're ready to begin. Now open File Explorer by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar. Navigate through your folders to find the video file you want to trim. This could be in your Downloads folder, Videos folder, or wherever you've saved the video. Once you've located the file, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, hover your cursor over the option that says Open With. When you do this, the menu will expand to show you all the available applications that can play your video file. From the list of apps that appears, select Photos. Now you might think the Photos app is only for viewing images, but it actually has built-in video playback and editing capabilities, which makes it perfect for quick trimming tasks. Your video will now open in the Photos Viewer window. Even though it's called Photos, the app can play your video just like any other media player. Once your video is playing in the Photos app, direct your attention to the top left part of the viewer window. You'll notice a button labeled Trim. Go ahead and click on it. This opens the trimming interface, which gives you control over which portions of the video you want to keep. You'll now see trim handles appearing on both sides of your video timeline. These handles allow you to select the exact start and end points of your trimmed video. Simply click and drag the left handle to set where you want your video to begin, and drag the right handle to set where you want it to end. As you adjust these handles, you can preview your changes to make sure you're trimming exactly the section you want. This visual feedback makes it easy to get your trim just right without any guesswork. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click the Save button to finalize your trimmed video. The Photos app will process your changes and save the new version, keeping your original file intact. And that's it. You've successfully trimmed your video using Windows 11's built-in Photos app. No third-party software needed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.